Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to play Super Mario on violin. First, let's identify the core melody. The main theme uses a simple C major scale, starting on G. Focus on clear, crisp bowing for each note. You'll want to practice the rhythm slowly, ensuring each note has its proper duration. A metronome is your best friend here, helping you keep a consistent tempo. We'll cover specific finger placements and bowing patterns to get that iconic sound just right. Now, let's dive deeper into mastering the melody. Break the Super Mario theme into smaller, 2 to 4 note phrases. This makes it easier to learn and perfect. Pay close attention to your intonation. Even a slight deviation can change the iconic sound. Try using a tuner to ensure your notes are perfectly in tune. Experiment with varying bowing speeds and pressures to achieve different dynamics, making your performance more expressive and engaging for listeners. To truly bring the Super Mario theme to life, let's add some expressiveness. Vibrato can give your sustained notes a richer, more professional sound. Start with a slow, controlled vibrato and gradually increase its speed. Practice dynamic changes, moving smoothly from a soft piano to a loud forte. This adds excitement and contrast. Also, focus on articulating both staccato, short notes, and legato, smoothly connected passages, which are crucial for capturing the game's playful energy. Finally, let's talk about refining your performance and practice routine. Recording yourself playing is incredibly helpful. It allows you to objectively hear what needs improvement, from intonation to rhythm. Don't be afraid to perform for friends or family. This builds confidence and helps you get comfortable playing in front of an audience. Remember, consistent practice, even for just 15 minutes daily, yields significant results. Also, for those looking to simplify their daily routine, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Keep practicing, and you'll be a Super Mario violin virtuoso in no time.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.